Welcome to our lesson about connectors. I've got two profiles, a hexagon and a rectangle. The number of segments in each profile obviously doesn't match. The hexagon has got 6 segments and the rectangle's only got 4. Well, let's try creating a loft and see how it looks. Let's select this point and this point. Solidworks creates a preview, but that's not exactly what we want. Let's take a look at the connectors so we can figure out how to reposition accordingly. Right-click, Show All Connectors. If you want to hide the connectors, you simply right-click and select Hide All Connectors. I'm going to reposition a couple connectors simply by clicking and dragging them. Here I've got an extra connector. Let's delete it. Right-click, select Delete Connector. As you notice, it's still here, so let's drag it to the corner and try deleting it again. Right-click, Delete Connector. Basically, it works like this. If the connector is attached to the corner of one of the profiles, you won't be able to delete it. Right-click, Delete Connector, nothing happens. Now let's right-click and add a connector here. We can adjust it and position it how we want. If we don't need it, we simply right-click and delete. And then we're ready to click OK to exit our loft. Let's modify the rectangle a little bit. Expand and open up Sketch 2 for editing. Let's activate the Split Entities tool. Select this line and split this line too. And cancel out of the tool. Exit the sketch. Now let's right-click and delete this loft. Do I want to? For sure, yes. Recreate it. Select this corner and this corner. Again, right-click and show all connectors. And as you can see, each corner connects to another corner or the end of a line. Let's click OK, and this concludes our lesson about manipulating connectors.